Hello and welcome to my video where I will show you how to use the EcoFootPrint Calculator. So if you look here, we've got it saying view only. So if you're watching this video on YouTube, the link below will be in the description below with the Google Sheets, but it will be a view only mode. And so what you're going to have to do is go to File, make a copy, and then name it whatever you want, EcoFootPrint Calculator, and I'm going to just put it in my main drive. There you go, main drive. So make a copy, and it'll open up like this. So now we have a copy of the original, which lets you now edit it. Otherwise, if it says view only up here, you will not be able to change anything. Look, if I start trying to type something, it doesn't let me type. But here, if I start typing something, it lets me. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to look at the question, whatever it says, and then you're going to answer basically like multiple choice. So this is how you're going to put it. So my shower or bath on a typical day is, hopefully this is none of you guys, no shower, no bath. I hope it's more than that. 3 to 4 times a week. Short shower once a day. I think maybe that's closest to my answer. So I'm going to pick that, but let's keep reading just in case. Long shower, over 10 minutes once a day. No, I think I do less than that. More than 1 shower per day. No, I definitely do less than that. So yeah, 50 is the amount of points that that one is worth. So it's like choosing A, B, C, D, E. In this case I chose C, but instead of choosing the letter C, we're choosing the number of points that it's worth. So I'm putting it here. And then I just do all the questions like that. I flush the toilet every time I use it. Yep, I do. Some people don't. Some people stick with the rule. If it's brown, flush it down. If it's yellow, let it mellow. I don't do that. So I have more points, which you're going to see what that does in a second. More points is not necessarily a good thing. When I brush my teeth, I let the water run, or I don't let the water run. I don't. I use water-saving toilets. Yes, actually, I do now use water-saving toilets. My toilets are really new. They're like a year old or something, so they're pretty good. If it's an older toilet, you'd say no. If it's a newer toilet, you say yes. We use low flow shower heads. Yes, we do. My shower head is also really new and low flow. Alright, so sorry, bless me. Excuse me. So this was all about water use, this section. So my water use subtotal is 50 points. And then you just keep going down for all the different categories. On a typical day, I eat meat a couple times, more than once per day. Once per day, meat a couple times per week, vegetarian or vegan. So I think I eat about once per day. Some days I eat more. Some days maybe I don't eat meat. I don't know. Probably about once per day, so I'll pick that. And so you just have to go through all my foods organic. No. So you're just going to go through all the different choices. And oh, I have to change that one. I am now, well, right now, currently, because this is during the virus, I, don't do anything. So I'm not going anywhere. So I guess it would be 0. But anyway, so just keep going, fill in all these answers, and then what's going to happen is there's a calculation done for the number of Earths needed to support you. So if everyone on the planet was like you, how many Earths would that take? So I don't remember exactly the number of people on the planet, but I think it's something around like 8 billion or something. So 8 billion people, if every single person lived like you on the planet, we would need 5.5, or like me on the planet, we'd need 5.5 Earths to support that to be sustainable. And the other way to look at it is the amount of land, or the eco-footprint is what we call it, so the amount of land that you need to sustain me. So I need 10 hectares of land for a year to sustain me. So it's a really cool calculator. It does it for you guys. So this will start off all blank for you, and you guys will type in your answers, and just choose the one that is closest to you. I realize that sometimes they're not going to be exact. Maybe you do a combination of things. Maybe your family has a small and a medium, and so you kind of go in between. I get it. You can even type in between answers. So if it's small, medium, car, it's that you have like a bigger car, but still a car, and you sometimes drive that, or your parents sometimes drive that, and parents sometimes drive a really small car. Then you can go in between and go with 75 points. So you can play around with it a little bit, but then you'll see how many Earths are required. So if you look at it this way, in an ideal world, everyone on the planet would say 1 Earth required, or at least as close to 1 as possible. That would mean that it's sustainable. Alright, I hope this video helps you understand how to use the EcoFootprint calculator, and good luck. Bye.